Next up, I have my absolute favorite in this music beat. This man made me fall in love with Nigerian albums in general. Okay, like he made me. Yeah, I would say him before One Day Cole did, because Bumper to Bumper. Motion to More Hits dropped in 2009, and Talk About It came December 08. So yes, he beat One Day to it. So I definitely fell in love in the concept of Nigerian albums because of M.I and because of the hip hop scene in general. The hip hop has paid more attention, or at least upholds the cultural. They respect the artwork of. They respect the artistry of albums more than pop artists do. And M.I was a clear example of that I was able to build that bridge with his albums. And he's about to transition from being M.I Abaga into The Guy. And The Guy is one of his, I don't know if it's his last album. It definitely feels that way. But I saw the track list. It's amazing. It's fucking amazing. I've not been so excited in a track list in a long time. It has Nas and Olamide on one fucking record, bro. Yes, you might seem like this is, I don't know what's going on, but for any rap head, any hip hop fan, that's fucking phenomenal, bro. Having Olamide and M.I Abaga, the two greatest of rappers, on the same record, accompanied with one of the finest from the States, man. One of the legends in the hip hop scene, Nas. Top 5 objectively in the hip hop community, man. So it's gonna be crazy. I want to see that record. I'm excited about the album. But this one is the lead single for the album. It's called The Guy. And I know it's a Young Six diss, but we hear it. Let's get into it. I'm just taking it that this is kind of drill.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Okay. God is great, I can't lie. Okay. Let's get this paper, my guy. Ignore the haters, my eyes are focused on the cash, trying to get the next payday. Never focus on the nyash, man's a baller like JJ. Alhamdulillah.
To be honest, JJ is probably tired of that line. He himself is probably sitting somewhere like, bro, y'all should stop. At this point, y'all should stop. Let JJ rest with his ball lines, man. But yeah, man. Let's get into it still.
Yeah, what you want, my eyes are focused on the cash, trying to get the next payday.
Okay.
Never focus on the nyash, man's a baller like JJ. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, what you want, I'm the guy. Take both bags if you can't decide. Been killing this game like it wants to die, like
I've been killing this game like it wants to die. There's some element of truth in that, because like, yeah, like the scene needs this kind of energy. M.I is, again, he is the pulse of Nigerian hip hop scene. He is the pulse. As soon as this man drops the mic, the scene can never be the same. It can never be the same without M.I. So there's always some form of energy or rejuvenation anytime he releases. It's like everybody just awakens to him speaking. And obviously this is coming right after the Behold the Lamb album too. But yes, there's some element there. He's killing the game. It's almost as if he wants to die. It's like there's a lot of truth in it. It's kind of like sad, but at the same time, like, yeah, it is what it is. Like, he's been killing it so much that it feels like it's about to die as he's exiting, as he's walking away. But anyway, we see.
I'm the guy. Take both bags if you can't decide. Been killing this game like it wants to die.
Yeah.
Like, I'm the guy. Ask the guy you thought was the guy.
I'm the guy.
If you don't say I'm the guy, that's a lie, because I'm the guy.
I'm that guy. I'm that nigga. Okay, let's go.
Beef with you gonna make you rich, so y'all gotta pay me.
Hey.
And me and Vector are cool, even though we don't chat on the daily.
Okay.
Look at Young Six coming.
Listen. M.I and Vector, that entire scene, an era. What an era for Nigerian hip hop. What an era for Nigerian hip hop. But it's nice to see they've milked the hell out of that beef. They had a whole documentary series about it too with Hennessy. I love it. I love how they really harnessed on that moment. But yes, it's nice to see that they're kicking it. At least they don't talk on a daily, but they're still cool. But yes, again, that first line about anytime the niggas come shots or take shots at M.I, it's a payday for them, because obviously attention. And I don't know why it takes the bait, but it makes sense that he takes it. I like that he takes the bait because I'm always here for violence. Always here for it. Not that kind of violence, but.
Are cool even though we don't chat on the daily because I'm the guy. Yeah. If I beef with you, gonna make you rich, so y'all gotta pay me.
Hey.
And me and Vector are cool even though we don't chat on the daily. Look at Young Six coming for the goddamn seaman. That.
Okay, that's the first. Sorry, I'm pausing too much. But I heard a sham. Like anytime you mention somebody, I think it's the thing that we'll be hearing a snippet from them. Like this is actually funny.
We don't chat on the daily. Look at Young Six coming for the goddamn seaman. That shit pain me. And my guy Loose, he got the Jordan Connect like he's Israeli. Make you not hear me.
Hey! Okay, Loose has a Jordan Connect like he's Israeli. Okay. So wait, he has. What does Loose do now? I think he works in a music related company. But anyway, he has the Jordan Connect like he's Israeli. Obviously like River Jordan in Israel, and obviously Michael Jordan the shoe company, I guess at this point. He has that connect. Dope. Shout out to Loose for that, man. That's sick.
Got the Jordan Connect like he's Israeli.
But that's quite random.
Hear me. Some of you know they ever get the message and that song glow.
That's on glow. Listen, Emma has rapped this on the Ikechukwu podcast before. I'm remembering these lines. They're coming back to me. Yeah, and some people never get the message and that's on glow. That's funny, bro.
Hear me. Some of you know they ever get the message and that song glow. Me, I like the way that I be feeling now when that's on pole. But you knew that.
Hey!
Everybody wanna get to rap and we can make it happen. No, my guy, sure. I got you.
Come on.
But remember, no be only Tiwa Savage. That's on go.
Yo, keep that.
Wait. Let me hear the Tiwa Savage line. I'm properly like.
Some of you know they ever get the message and that song glow. Me, I like the way that I be feeling now when that's on pole. But you knew that. Anybody wanna get to rap and we can make it happen. No, my guy, sure. I got you. But remember, no be only Tiwa Savage. That's on go.
Yo, keep that.
Okay, so no be only Tiwa Savage. I like that. So no be only Tiwa Savage and that's on go. Yo, okay, so he's saying it's not only Tiwa that is savage. I can be savage too. So yeah, that's a nice way to use the Tiwa Savage reference. We just earlier we listened to a record from Magix that said mo Tiwa mo Tiwa Savage. Anyway, I said mo Tiwa Savage. I like that context, but M.I has a different spin on it. But anyway, Tiwa now has his own snippet. We heard the Ladipo snippet as well. Everybody's just dropping snippets for him, man. That's a legend. That's a legend right there.
Tiwa Savage, that's on go.
Yo, keep that same energy.
Yeah. Don't be lying.
Okay.
Let's make this paper, my guy.
Okay, mommy, jam.
Life is vapor and vibes. My eyes are focused on the cash, trying to get the next payday. Never focused on the nyash man's a baller like JJ.
Never focus on the ass.
Alhamdulillah. What you need, I'm the guy.
Okay.
Those bags if you can't decide. Killing this game like it wants to die. You better ask somebody. I'm the guy, ask the guy you thought was the guy.
Ask the guy
If you
thought
don't
was
say
the
I'm
guy.
the guy, that's a lie because I'm the guy. I'm the guy for all seasons. On the stage of board meetings. You ain't real, we can't be friends. I see this taking no vacancy. On my team, there's no pretense. There's nobody weak, we work weekends. When we ride out, I'm on C-bands. Whole team good, I'm on C-bench. PSG.
Hey, whole team good. I'm on C bench. That's hard. Let's go.
You ain't real, we can't be friends. That seat is taking no vacancy. On my team, there's no pretense. There's nobody weak, we work weekends. When we ride out, I'm on C-band.
There's nobody weak, we work weekends.
Whole team good, I'm on C-bench. PSG off the rap game.
But that's not good labor culture, by the way. Like, we shouldn't be encouraging people to be working on the weekends. We shouldn't. We really shouldn't.
Team, there's no pretense. There's nobody weak, we work weekends. When we ride out, I'm on C-band. Whole team good, I'm on C-bench. PSG off the rap game. I'm the guy, I'm Mbappe. Whole team get plans like captains. Share the ring, it's like tag team. Read the numbers, the traction.
Oh, okay. This was the Mbappe line that he tweeted. That there's a line that when okay. So when Mbappe announced or renewed his PSG, Emma is crazy, man. When he renewed his PSG contract, Emma tweeted, "Oh, I'm so excited that Mbappe is still in PSG because by the time this record is out, there's a line there that is referencing him being in PSG." So that was the line that we just got, man. That's funny.
I'm the guy, I'm Mbappe. Team, there's no pretense. There's nobody weak, we work weekends. When we ride out, I'm on C-band. Whole team good, I'm on C-bench. PSG off the rap game.
PSG of the rap game.
Team get plans like captains. We all share the ring, it's like tag team. Pre the numbers, the traction. I stand above like a fraction.
I stand above. I stand above like a fraction. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Team get plans like captains. We all share the ring, it's like tag team. Pre the numbers, the traction. I stand above like a fraction. M.I the guy, I'm in fashion. Just let me go, Kim Kardashian. Is that your girl over there who saw my
Just let me go, Kim Kardashian? I didn't get that. So help me with that one.
above like a fraction. M.I the guy, I'm in fashion.
I mean, I guess Kim Kardashian fashion, yeah.
Me go Kim Kardashian. Is that your girl over there who saw my neck then started chain reacting? She looked like she like bad thing. With that ass, she got back pain. Facts. We got masks, we got vaccines. So you can get short, keep acting. Most of y'all niggas acting. So where y'all at when it's action? I'm a 5-star general in the rap game, I've done my thing. What's this top of the rap game in 3 different decades, call my king. Is this fact? All I need right.
Wait, let me take that back. Let me take that back. What he's saying? What he's saying?
I'm a 5-star general in the rap game, I've done my thing.
Of course.
Top of the rap game in 3 different decades, call my king. Is this fact? All I need.
3 different decades. 08 in the noughties, in 2010s, and then 2020s. Okay, speak your facts. Speak your facts. I think for me the hardest one of any artist is Two-Face, Baba, in 4 decades. He's been around in 4 decades. But M.I has been around in 3 too. But for the rap game, 5-star general, man. What are you saying? What are you saying?
For the rap game in 3 different decades, call my king. Is this fact? All I need right now is a Niger girl to call my queen. When this shit drop to the man, them cop it like vaccines. You know how we be when I'm in the mood. I sabi this rap thing well, I been in beat.
Okay, so he definitely wrote this way before his engagement. He got engaged recently. He definitely wrote this way, probably in the pandemic, bro. Because Young Six was probably teasing him around that time. So yeah, this feels like, because he's saying he's looking for a time to get his own Niger queen. Maybe he was still talking to her at that time, but right now he's with his missus, or soon to be missus. So yeah, definitely an old record, like an earlier record.
Niger girl to call my queen. When this shit drop to the man, them cop it like vaccines. You know how we be when I'm in the mood. I sabi this rap thing well, I been in beat. The whole game been in soup like spaghetti. My mouth big past my teeth, that 33. Entire room scatter everywhere, kiki. You the greatest of all time, that's how we be. Been doing it since 08, my first CD. These niggas can't do it like this, you kidding me?
Sheesh!
It's me, the guy.
Ooh, what a way to see it out. Damn, that flow was crazy at the end, man. That's crazy. Oh wait, what was that? What was that snippet in the back? Yo, no one's dropping rap records like this on this level, man. On this level. Like, as singles too. Like, as singles, unapologetic about it. For him to go hard for a rap single like this. Obviously, there have been more commercial songs that he has dropped as singles. The one with Oxlade that he dropped the other year before, wasn't really a big fan of it. But obviously, he shines through in moments like this where he's taking charge and he's just going off. There are too many like playful lines and like, you know what I mean, braggadocio of just raw facts. He's reminding you as a 5-star general of the hip hop scene that he has been 3 decades into the scene and it's been heavy in those 3 decades. And playing obviously playful references, left, right, center. I love the tags and connections to other celebrities and artists that left snippets there. We got a Vector snippet, we got a Ladipo one. I don't know if Loose actually even, but we got a Loose reference still. We got a Loose reference. We got a Tiwa Savage reference. Man, that was hard. But yeah, man, that was my goat. Just doing what he does. I think the guy would definitely. I think it's the first track on the album. So yes, when it comes to intentional openers, and I was making this point time and time again. First track openers are so important, and it just makes sense that it's gonna be an opener for the album. I'm excited about to see the album. The tracklist alone did it for me. But yeah, I'm so much more stoked now hearing the first record. How are you guys feeling about it?